What's going on YouTube? It's your boy bigchhet, and in today's video I'll be talking about why I think BlockFi is the best place in today's market to buy and sell cryptocurrency. First off, let me explain what BlockFi actually is. Essentially, they're a new age banking platform that allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrency while offering amazing interest rates for the assets that these users hold on their account. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology are both growing sectors, and I believe by utilizing BlockFi, you'll be best able to maximize your opportunity in the year 2021. Alright guys, so next up I'll be reading you guys a list of what I believe are some of BlockFi's best pros, and here I go. BlockFi pays out their interest at the beginning of each month. BlockFi generates interest on assets held in interest accounts by lending them to trusted institutional and corporate borrowers. And basically what I just said there is explaining how BlockFi actually makes their money. The BlockFi interest account is available to clients worldwide with very few exceptions. There are no minimum deposit amount to qualify for interest rates. So basically just deposit whatever money you're willing to spare and start earning your interest rates. Sign up takes only a few minutes. ACH wires are completely free and will be linked to your personal bank account, making it more convenient for future deposits. And ACH wires are basically the little links where you enter your banking information, you sign into your account, and it makes it more convenient. So when you deposit money for future uses, it's that much quicker. And there's no early withdrawal penalty because you're not required to keep the money in the account. And also, this is one of the best things in my opinion, there are zero fees to trade between cryptocurrency that are offered on their platform. And what I mean by that is like you can convert your Ethereum to Bitcoin to Litecoin. Now here are some cons to consider before joining the BlockFi platform. Withdrawals are held for at least 1 day before they're fully processed, and you should expect some fluctuation of prices, and in my opinion, that could really screw someone over in some cases, but you gotta factor that in before you try to withdraw. Typical deposits on BlockFi takes around 3 to 7 days, and although they do offer ACH transfers, for whatever reason, it takes a little bit longer than usual. Any withdrawals under 0.003 Bitcoin and 0.056 Ethereum could take up to 30 days to process. Yeah, that's quite a long time if you ask me. There's only one free withdrawal per month. It's not your typical bank account, obviously. It's crypto, but being only able to access it once a month is not very much, obviously. Since cryptocurrency is not backed by the government, it is both not FDIC or SPIC protected. However, BlockFi does have an automated risk management system, which is monitored 24/7. An example of how BlockFi protects their clients' assets can be shown in how they structure their company's risk management. Client funds are structured to be at the top of the capital stack, senior to BlockFi equity and BlockFi employee capital. This means BlockFi businesses and client incentives are aligned, and BlockFi would take a loss before any clients would. So basically what I just read off there is that before any of us clients, like me for example, I'm a client, I have money in their platform. Before I would ever lose money, their senior executives lose money, and their employees would lose money. And that kind of like shows like, hey, these guys are looking out for the best interest of us because they're willing to lose before individuals like me lose. And in some ways that's pretty reassuring in my opinion. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you'd like to get started with the BlockFi platform, I will leave a link in the description down below to help you guys get started. By clicking on my referral link, it'll give you guys $10 worth of Bitcoin, and that'll happen once you make your first deposit. Also, if you like the content, please consider dropping a like down below and smashing that subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm. Alright guys, until next time, stay hungry.